Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on the Edge Wallet application for your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Edge Wallet application and check from within the settings page, you will not be able to find any option to clear your cache. However, there is an option to clear your logs, which you can tap on, but this will still not clear all of your cache on the device. So in order to clear all of your cache with a safe and secure way, go ahead and exit the Edge application and then go into your phone settings and then tap on apps. You can also long press on the Edge app and tap on the info button to directly end up within the application info page for the Edge application. Now from this page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on the OK button to stop the app. After the application is stopped, scroll down and tap on storage. And now from the storage menu, you will be able to find the clear cache option at the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and tap on clear cache and this will immediately clear all of the cache for the Edge Wallet app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear the cache on the Edge Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.